welcome back to another travel vlog! I arrived here December 15, 2021. So it's been like a month and a half since I've been here in Costa Rica, but I just did not vlog because I just don't feel like vlogging the whole trip. I was busy as well planning about the wedding and stuff like that. So I just want this travel, oh my god, I'm catching my breath. So I just want this travel to be like very relaxing. Like I don't have any responsibility to like take vlog, film every time. So I'm already married and Gregory is not here with me anymore because he need to go back to Canada for work, and unfortunately I have to stay here in Costa Rica for a few weeks because, oh my god, wait for a moment. We need to wait for our marriage certification and process everything. Today is January 31, 2022 is the last day of January, and I am currently here in Volcano or Volcano Erazu Volcano. So from San Jose going here, I took an Uber, which cost me like 17,000, almost 17,000 Costa Rican money or colones. Before you come over here in Erazu Volcano, you have to buy a ticket online in advance because they won't accept if you did not do a reservation online. So you have to do it like maybe a day before your visit here in Erazu Volcano. And also you have to wear something that will warm you up, like this one. You can bring a hoodie, a jacket, or a coat. It's because in here it's pretty cold actually. Everybody is taking their car on the way up. Well, me, I'm just walking alone. Anyways, I'm already here though, so it's okay. Whew. So our next stop is here in Ruenas del Templo, Santiago. It's just 10 minutes walk from Basilica. It's so nice. But unfortunately, you cannot get inside. So we're just gonna take some video from here. Hi guys, I'm already here in my Airbnb a few hours ago, and I'm actually about to sleep now since it's pretty late. It's already 9 p.m. I decided to make a vlog today. It's because I'm really bored here, to be honest. I'm here all alone by myself in my Airbnb for 3 weeks already, and it feels like I'm very unproductive because I've done nothing aside of waking up in the morning, cleaning my room, doing my laundry, cooking my foods. And then yesterday I've decided that, okay, I'm gonna go to Erazu Volcano and maybe I will vlog. And yeah, I did, which I'm really happy about that I did it because I could share it with you guys. I guess that's it for now, and I'm gonna end my vlog here. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel please if you haven't done yet. And also please don't forget to click the notification bell below so you get notified of upcoming take two. And please don't forget to click the notification bell below so you get notified of my upcoming vlogs. Again, thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you everyone on my next vlog. Adios!